Hello friends, this is Mahesh from Mahitex. Today we are going to see how to install Windows 10 operating system in any PC or laptop. For this, first plug in your Windows 10 bootable ISO pen drive in the system and power on the computer. Next, get into your boot menu by pressing F8 key. In your computer it may vary, but for me it is F8. And then select the USB pen drive. Once it is selected, Windows will automatically load. Wait for it to load. Once it is loaded, you will be greeted with three options: which language to install, and what is your time and region, and then what is your keyboard layout. Just click next and then click install now. We can change all those information later. And in the next screen, it is asking for the product key. Just click I don't have any product key. And then the edition of Windows we are going to select is Windows 10 Pro and click next. And then we have to accept the license and terms. So agree the license and terms and click next. Then we are going to make a custom install. Select custom install and then select the hard disk that you are going to install and click format. Note that doing format will delete all the files from the hard disk and click next. So now it is getting through the installation process. It will take some time. By the way, if you feel the video quality is very less, my sincere apologies for this, because we are shooting this with my mobile, and after this quarantine period is over, so we will be switching to cameras and new gears. So please stay tuned for this channel for further updates. And then if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us a lot to make these videos. And now, as you can see, it is going through the installation very fast. There will be a couple of phases during this installation. The system will automatically restart. So now we will wait in the phase where installation is copying all the files. As you see, we have covered almost all the steps now. Next, it is going through installing updates. Once after the installing updates is completed, it will automatically restart. So a dialog box it will be shown and it will ask us to restart the computer. Now, as I said to you before, so Windows needs to restart the computer. So you can just click here restart now, it will automatically restart. The next time it will automatically boot into your hard disk, so no need to go and select the bootable pen drive. So this process is going to take a long time, so we will just sit back and relax. So now the installation is going to complete. It is asking to select as the region. So we'll select the region as India and click yes. And the next step is to select the keyboard layout. In this case, we are going to select United States International and click yes. And it is asking to add a second keyboard layout. Just click skip. Then it is going to search for the network. So now we don't have any network here, so it is going to take some time to scan through it. And then it is going to allow us to create the local account. So who is going to use this PC? So type a name. So here I am going to give Mahitex. Click next, and I am going to create the password. If you don't like any password for your system, just click next in this dialog box. Or if you want a password, just type in your password and click next and confirm the password by typing it again. Click next. One of the best features of Windows 10 now is it will ask you security questions for this account. You can select any 3 questions and answer for those questions. So in case if you forgot your password, you can unlock the password from the lock screen by answering these questions. So next it is going to ask us, do you want to sync your activity history? Yes, I want to sync activity history between my devices. and I am going to need Cortana as my digital assistant. So I am going to click yes. Next, choose privacy settings. So here I am going to disable ink and typing, and I am going to disable advertising ID, and then I am going to disable tailored experience, and then leave everything as on and click next. Now Windows 10 is going to go ahead and create a new user account for you. So this is the process, so it will take some time. So now it's almost going to complete the installation for us. As you see in the screen, leave everything to us, which means almost we have reached to the installation, almost there. As you can see, successfully we have installed Windows 10 and we have reached our desktop screen. So now the first thing that I do in all my Windows installation is reduce the size of the search bar. So right click on the taskbar, go into search and select search icon. So it will bring a lot of space in the taskbar for you to work. Next thing I will do is I will bring back the my computer icon. Right click and select personalize, and then go ahead and select themes in the left hand side, and go scroll down to the last and select desktop icon settings, turn on computer, hit apply and OK. So now as you can see, we have this PC icon in your desktop screen. Hello friends, as you can see, we have successfully installed Windows 10 on this PC. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box. I will answer all the questions. Like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MahiTech's channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.